waanguke kwanza.
Gavana Machakos Wavinya Ndeti ogolo siem mager ne jogo malieko weche mag miriambo kotenre gi tiche county no kosayo MCAs ma county no mowacho ni duoko chien chenro mag dongruok kanoloso e kar thieth ma Machakos level 5 kama notime limbe ma apoya. Wavinya kwedo weche mosebedo kaluorore ute fwambo kotenre gi thieth e osiptal no kowacho ni thieth dhi nyime kendo jogo matuo kik luoro chopo. Bende omedo ni sirkande ok bidonjore e ywaruok moramora manyalo duoko dongruok ma Machakos chien kosingo tiyo ne jopiny kaka nigi winjore.
Cases that were done yesterday in theater: maternity 5 cases, BTL 3, and the main surgeries 3. A total of 11 cases were operated on yesterday. As of midnight today, we have had 12 cases. 12 cases broken as follows: 2 in maternity, BTL 3, and main operations were done 7 cases. So, Your Excellency and the people of Machakos, somebody said the theaters are closed. I want to say that those patients are available. If somebody wants to come and confirm, this is information that can be confirmed.
Pigeni ile siasa ingine yote mnataka kupiga. Lakini ikija hospitali, siasa ya hospitali wekeni kando. Number 1, wale wanafanya hapa hospitali ni watoto wa watu. Juzi kuna nasi yangu moja ameassaultiwa na mtu kutoka nje. Na ni ile mambo wale politicians wanaweka watu kwa kichwa. Wakija hapa hospitali wakiona madaktari wanaona madaktari kama ni adui. Daktari akijaribu kuambia